I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Whoop 4.0. First, ensure your Whoop device is fully charged using its portable battery pack, which provides up to 5 days of power. Next, wear the sensor snugly on your wrist or bicep for accurate readings. Then, download the Whoop app on your smartphone and create your personal account. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your phone to allow for continuous data synchronization and tracking. Understanding your daily strain is crucial for optimizing performance. Whoop measures your cardiovascular and muscular exertion throughout the day, assigning a score from 0 to 21. This score reflects your total physical and mental load, including workouts, work stress, and daily activities. A higher strain indicates more significant effort, helping you recognize when to push harder and when to prioritize rest for optimal health. Whoop provides a comprehensive recovery score, indicating your body's readiness for strain. This score is based on 3 key metrics: heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and sleep performance. A green score means you are well recovered and ready for high exertion. Yellow suggests moderate activity, and red indicates your body needs significant rest. Aim for consistent, quality sleep to enhance your recovery. The Whoop app is your personal coach, providing actionable insights to improve your health. Use the journal feature to log behaviors like caffeine intake or meditation, observing their impact on your strain and recovery. Review your weekly and monthly performance reports to identify trends and make informed adjustments. Whoop's data-driven recommendations empower you to optimize your sleep, training, and overall well-being effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.